Hey Things, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Things.com, and in today's video, real quick, I want to answer the question: can you make more than $50 or $60 per hour on Upwork using just like Python, basic Python, and some follow-up skills? So where you can later then focus on different, say, sub niches within the big Python niche on Upwork. So is it possible? So let's here I have searched actually for a Python term on Upwork, and you can see like I only filtered for $60 per and above, and high job success score, and also serious freelancers who have actually made some money on Upwork, to actually filter out all the noise, right? All the for example, freelancers who actually have just created a profile but haven't really worked on Upwork or so, that actually haven't done anything. So okay, so we come up with some exciting profiles here. You see on the top Yuri, who is a programmer focusing more on, say, financial spreadsheet-like data in Python. So he also has Microsoft Office skills, accounting skill, VBA, which is like Visual Basic. He can actually create Excel scripts, write Python scripts, Google scripts, some integrate with different APIs, and also do some web scraping. So this, like, Yuri is like a man for everything, right? That you can. So if you just have some problems or some struggles with your spreadsheet-like data, or you need some scripting done, then you would actually hire him maybe to create a script that takes maybe 2-3 hours. You would pay $200 for it as a client, and you would be done with it, right? You won't like struggle days and days on end as a client, as a business owner, to get those things done. You just want to some professional expert who actually can help you accomplish it, right? And so this is actually like basic Python programming knowledge is enough to offer the same type of services, right? And what Yuri does actually is he delights his customers, right? So this is like the one outstanding property he has, why he actually pops up first when you search for Python and under these constraints. He has 100% job success score. He's a top-rated freelancer. You get top-rated by having a high job success score and by earning a minimum amount of money on Upwork. I think it's 5,000 or so, 5K or so. So if you actually check all those boxes, you will become top rated as well. You see the top rated badge, which also means that Upwork will recommend you to clients, because Upwork wants to delight their customers as well. So they mainly recommend top rated freelancers to clients. So top rated freelancers means like top 5% of the freelancers. About 5% of the freelancers have the top-rated badge, but Upwork doesn't actually restrict it to 5%, right? It's not like for every winner there must be a loser, kind of. It's not a zero-sum game. Like everybody could become top-rated, right? If they just delivered great value to clients. So it is like a positive sum game. You can actually enter the game, and you, out of your own willingness to commit to this opportunity, and out of your own capabilities, you can become a top-rated freelancer, and you will get then recommended by Upwork and get more and more work done for clients. This second freelancer, Hamid, he's a Python backend developer from Morocco. He has earned 30K on the platform, making currently $125 per hour, and he's again top-rated plus freelancer with great ratings and just focusing on Python backend. Now, this is not Python front and Python backend. What does it mean? It means like Flask, Django, and maybe even Python Plotly Dash, and those type of applications where you can create web applications using the Python programming language. So this guy will most likely help, or mainly help, clients who already have a running Python system and they want to fix some bugs. So for example, the Thinkster app runs with Python, Django. So if I wouldn't have a lot of, like, if I wouldn't take the time, or maybe like so if I would be a business owner who is actually not able to code himself, then I would maybe hire Hamid to fix some bugs on the website, or improve security, or add some features here and there. So like if you are interested in web development and backend, this like Python is a great way to do it, right? So this is an exciting industry as well. So like the whole web, Python plus web applications. And if you're interested in this, you can also check out our new book, Python Dash book, which will be released in August. so you can find it on Amazon, or I will also leave a link in the description below if you're interested. Our book that actually shows you how to create dashboard applications yourself with Python. So I think this is great opportunity these days, and the demand for dashboard applications is actually increasing. So what are dashboards? Dashboards are everything where you can control and visualize data, right? For example, Google Analytics would be a dashboard, or some like COVID map, how does COVID spread over time, something like this, or maybe financial dashboards, how your net worth evolves over time and different investments perform. All of this is actually visualized in the dashboard. So many people create dashboard applications to visualize data, and now you can do it with Plotly Dash, and it's a really exciting industry trend. And yeah, we have written a book, so check it out. Good. So furthermore, this one is Bilal from Pakistan. He makes $70 per hour. I think it's great for so if you live in Pakistan, actually making $70 per hour is it's like really life-changing income, right? Income level. He is focusing on IoT and DevOps and Raspberry Pi, and so I mean, there are many ways you can actually go more into the hardware space, also using Python, right? But Python is not like Python is a high-level programming language. It's not a low-level programming language, but still, I mean, there are many robotics frameworks relying on Python, where you can, for example, program low-level stuff using Python, and it is then compiled down to hardware level. Yeah, but you see, like he is programming Arduino, Raspberry Pi and stuff, so he's really like low-level type of skills he is offering on the platform. So I think this is also interesting. So then we have some ads. Let's go into, maybe have a quick view on Anuj from India, making $75 per hour. It's also an awesome income for an Indian freelancer. He is not yet top rated, but he will become top rated soon. He has made more than 30K on the platform, and yeah, it's just like a basic Python developer, focusing a bit more on Django and like back-end programming. So you see, like, there are infinite opportunities. You can scroll down, $250 per hour, Romania, $120 per hour, $80 per hour. And actually, these people, they earn serious money on the platform, right? You see, like this, for example, Dave, he has made more than 100K on the platform. This one has made more than 1 million on the platform, also using Python skills and Golang and stuff. So there are, like, you see 163 pages of freelancers who make $60 and more using their Python skills on Upwork. So there's like infinite social proof. So you can do it as well. If you're interested in doing it, then check out the Finster Freelancer course. I give a link in the description below. So in the Freelancer course, we actually teach you everything, how you can create your own thriving coding business online. We will show you, like, from being an absolute beginner to offering your first services on the platform to us. We will actually be your first client, and then we will give you a rating, and you will get the momentum going by within the Freelancer course to create your thriving coding business online. And then you can use the momentum to get more and more outside type of gigs, right? And yeah, we give you all the skills you need. We give you access to all courses on the Finster Computer Science Academy for free. So you have like infinite learning potential in the Freelancer course. We give you books and everything. So you will have enough technical material. You will get the whole business side and marketing side and value proposition side going, and you will get your first gig to get the momentum. So you get your first rating on Upwork, because you see, like, if you have 100% job success score, clients will hire you with a higher likelihood, obviously. So yeah, check it out in the link in the description below. Thanks for watching this video and actually checking out the Finster channel. I would be happy if you leave me a like and subscribe to the channel. I release one of those niche videos every day. And yeah, thanks for giving me your attention. See you in the next video. Bye.